So keep your camera on, okay? Yes children, now you are watching all the videos, okay? Here all the books we have arranged properly, so you can see and write titles of the books, okay? So that you will come to know. Yeah, tell me what is the name of the book? Can you read the book? Yes children. Yeah, you can read the book, write the names also. Okay. Now these are all Hindi books. These are all Hindi books. The two places we have arranged here. You can see the two places we have arranged. Now the next here also you can see some books. Some more books are here. These are all Hindi books. भारत रत्न सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, now अमर शहीद डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी, now you can see here IAS के बढ़ते कदम, वैदिक गणित, संत रविदास, डॉक्टर श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी, रसायन विज्ञान के चमत्कार, सीक्रेट्स ऑफ लीडरशिप, यू कैन लिसन एंड नोट डाउन आल्सो, एंड कैरियर बुक 10+2 के बाद कैरियर, और चित्तौड़ की रानी पद्मिनी, शिक्षा शास्त्री, शिक्षा प्रसिद्ध, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ. So these are all the books. Now I am going to take you to our English section. What book we have received? Wonderful. Okay, very good children. Because we are missing our library now, that's why I arranged everything in the library. I came to school and I have arranged this exhibition for you. Now English section books. Okay, again I am zooming. Some books you have to note down. Now Digital India, first book, which is very helpful for us now. We are online and reading virtual class. Secrets of self-confidence. Here Mother Teresa. Here World Heritage Sites in India, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Positive Attitude, Civil Servant, and here you can see some books displayed. Comparative Study of Sanskrit Literature, World Best Poet and Authors, English Literature. Like this, many books are here. Now again you can see here great scientists of the world. Okay, and here you can see yoga, digital revolutions, now you just note down all the books names. That is your assignment also. After the class you have to complete, neatly write and submit on Google Classroom. That is your assignment. So try to write more and more titles, okay, and maximum titles you should write, so that we will come to know what and all books are available, and we have newly received from the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sancton headquarters from Delhi. So these all books selected by KBH headquarters and sent to our school. This one, then only you can see. How to choose right career. Now you are in class 7, so that these books will be very helpful after class 10th and class 12th. Okay children, so here so many books are available for you. Now yoga book, time management, great scientist, profile of Rabindranath Tagore and world literature, youth democracy, श्री दीन दयाल उपाध्याय, पंडित दीन दयाल उपाध्याय, बॉडी लैंग्वेज, रेन हार्वेस्टिंग एंड water conservation. Now it's going on water conservation. You have to watch some video and webinar and quiz, participate in quiz. Now here book I am going to show you online teaching. Okay, the research on online teaching. The books available here. So when you come to school, you can read by your own hand, or I will show you sometimes PDF also. Okay, extinct animal and plants of the world. See. So these beautiful and wonderful books are available in the library now. Once you started come to library, you can take it home and read all the books. So children, now once again thank you. I am just coming here, okay? And once you just see our library, cupboards are waiting for you. These books are waiting for you to test your feel, okay? And they are waiting to read. Someone should come and tell the book and read them. So these all things are going on in the library, okay? So I am coming. I am yes.
सच्ची पुस्तकें पढ़ने की मन लगती है सर।
हाँ बेटा। हम अच्छा हम कोशिश करेंगे। यदि आप लोग अभी तो आप लोग को नहीं बुलाया है स्कूल में, ठीक है? जब आप स्कूल आने लगेंगे या आपके पेरेंट्स स्कूल आ सकते हो तो हमसे मिलने को कहिए, हम आपको बुक दे देंगे, ठीक है? तो दे कैन कलेक्ट बुक फ्रॉम मी. आई विल इशू इन योर नेम. Okay children?
ठीक है सर।
Okay, 1 minute, hold down.